Dear participants, we are going to start the session 6. The topic is cyber forensics tools and techniques. The expert person name is Mr. K. Gnaneshwar. And I'm introducing Gnaneshwar, and he is currently working as assistant professor in Trinity Institute of Technology and Science. Previously, he worked as assistant professor in Mallarity Engineering College, SR Engineering College, Warangal. And coming to his educational qualifications, he received BTech Information Technology from JNTU Affiliated College, and he received MTech degree from JNTH Hyderabad campus. And currently, he's pursuing PhD, and he's having the 12 national and international journals. And he's now in the Trinity Engineering College in the CSP Cybersecurity branch. So he's having the vast knowledge, even the 12 years of experience. He's having the knowledge on cyber forensics tools. So we are hoping, as Reddy madam said, the introduction as well as some demonstration visualizations of tools. Sir is giving the insightful knowledge on FTK tool, that is forensic toolkit, and autopsy. So he's taking the two forensic tools and giving the demonstration how it works, how the imaging takes place, how the data collection, how the dumping of the data from hard disk to hard disk. So with his knowledge, he will delight us. Okay, we'll start. Sir, please go ahead, proceed the session.
Thank you, madam. Hello, is it audible?
Somewhat low, I think, sir. Voice is low.
సంధ్య మేడం
Uh,
మీరు లింక్ షేర్ చేశారా?
which one, ma'am?
లింక్ మీరు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ లింక్ ప్రీవియస్ జస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అండ్
Just because you should be for the session, second session, I'll share. Okay.
ఎనీవే దేర్ ఇన్ ద సెషన్.
Okay.
నార్మల్ గా అయిపోగానే చేస్తారు కదా, అందుకని డౌట్ వచ్చింది.
Okay, I'm introducing.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Presenter I'll give for you.
Madam, is it now audible, madam? Voice?
Somewhat.
Is it clear now? Hello.
Participants, you please say whether they're audible or not.
Is it audible, my voice? All of you?
Sir, not
Yes, sir.
too much audible.
It is audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
You are audible,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Very much audible.
Okay, sir. Fine. All of you, thank you. Now, if any disturbances, anything is there, please tell me. Low voice or whatever it. Okay. Because I am suffering with some cough. So if any disturbance or anything here, please tell me that one. Okay. Not low voice or whatever it.
Yes, you
Good.
little bit louder. One of the participant typed in the chat box. You please little bit louder.
Okay, madam. Now is it okay?
Now.
Voice.
Okay. And participant, please unmute yourself and give the answers. It should be an interactive. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Good evening to all of you. So I am sharing my screen. 1 minute, please. Hello, is it visible, ma'am? All of you?
Yes,
sir. Madam, sir. My screen.
You keep slide mode, sir. F5.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Good evening to all of you. My face and voice, any problem, any issues, please tell me, sir, madam, whatever it, any problems. Best ping me here. Here I will visible this. Okay. Okay. Good evening to all of you. Today, just first session, I'm going to give general definitions and what we are doing in the tool, in our forensic tools, general definitions only. And then I will start directly to the tool. Okay. All tools are total, today we are going to discuss all tools are totally open source tool and easy way. And we can understand that one, what way we can apply the computer forensics. Okay. First two slides are just only thing. What is the computer forensics and what we are applying on with the tools on this computer forensics. Okay. Here, computer forensics is a scientific method of investigations and analyze in order to gather evidence from digital devices. Normally, what we are using that one evidence proofing in the sense in general area, compulsory we should any to prove that any crime activity, whatever it, compulsory we should get some evidences. Okay, in general, evidences in this in the outside area, in any accident case is there, whatever it, then we can guess that we can take some evidences compulsory. In the same way, digital evidences also. If any crime is happened, especially in the digital forensics, compulsory we should get some evidence. To collect that evidence, to analyze on that evidence, these tools are compulsory. Okay, without applying these tools, we can't get any evidences and we can't prove the particular any cyber crimes or whatever it. Okay, it involves programming structured investigation while maintaining a documented chain of evidence to find out exactly what happens on a computer and who has responsible for it. What is the major advantage with these tools? Any particular crime is happened, with these tools we can prove that one. Okay, what is there in the what happened in that one, and with clear evidences and chain of the evidences, who did it, who is the main person in this one, whatever it, for example, I have the some total criminal data in that one, my pen drive is there. Okay, intentionally they deleted that files in that pen drive. So we got that pen drive, but we don't have that information in that one. How can we find out that one? With the help of these forensic tools, we can get that one, what intentionally what deleted information, data also, and old data also, whatever we need. That is the importance of these forensic tools. Forensic tools also known as the digital forensic tools also. Both names are same, but commonly we are calling that one. This is the one part of computer forensics is the one part of the digital forensics. But we can say both are the same. Okay? Computer forensics and digital forensics, both names are the same. This field is critical in solving cyber crimes, recovering lost data, and supporting legal proceedings. Okay? Majorly, it is applicable for the cyber crimes only. Okay, but what is the major advantage? Recovering the lost data and without manipulations, without manipulating, we can collect the evidence proved data. That is also possible. Major advantage. And applying that one, these tools for the purpose of recovering the data and what is the advantage with this recovered data? Supporting the legal proceedings purpose. Here, what are the phases we are applying in this computer forensics? First, identification phase. First, we should collect that evidences. That is an identification phase. Next, acquisition phase. Evidence acquisition with the forensics backups. Any data we lost or gathering that information or after collecting the data, gathering that and without manipulation purpose, duplicating the data purpose and recovering the data purpose, everything is comes under this acquisition. Normally we are applying our tools on this two only, acquisition phase and analysis phase, and finally based on these two phases, reporting phase is there, giving the documentation with evidence proofs. Identification phase will comes under just only evidence collections only, like a pen drives collecting, a drives collecting, a data collecting, information collecting, whatever it. Okay, and next step, applying tools on this collection evidences with in the acquisition phase and analysis phase. Tools are applicable in these two phases. Major key aspects of the computer forensics. Okay, these are the major key aspects. First, evidence collection. Next, preservation. What is the preservation? Creating forensic images of storage devices to analyze while leaving the original data untouched. If we got one data information, we have to storage the data without any manipulations, no one to touch the data. For that purpose, we are copying the data and storing the copied data into our data storage. If anyone open that one, they can't manipulate the data. In that way, we have to store preservation and analysis, applying analysis on the data. Here, after getting the data storage, backup data storage, we have to analyze it one. Who did that one and who is the backend person? The analyzing in the sense here, total reports, documentation of the data what we are collected. Okay, analyzing on the data. For example, I got one pen drive. Somebody they intentionally they total deleted the data. Who used before happened the crime that pen drive, and applying this tool on that pen drive and total analyzing, applying analyzing phase on the pen drive and collecting the data, proved data, because they deleted, they know they are thinking that one, okay, data is not there, but here we can get the data. Okay, that is the greatness of these tools. One of the example I said that one, reporting, after completing this analyzing, we are reporting that one clear with the documentation for generally checking the documentation, means for general checkup means a judgmental proving purpose, we are collecting, we are giving reporting data here. Directly now I am coming to the topic. Now today we are going to discuss majorly three tools. One is ATAPC and FTK image and Wireshark. Majorly two tools only, ATAPC and FTK. These are the main important and computer forensic tools. Okay, here this is the explanation about the ATAPC. Now I am directly going to the tool. Is it okay, man? All of you, any problem? Any ping me? Now I am opening the tool. In my system already downloaded ATAPC tool. This tool is ATAPC, but this is the open source tool. Directly we can download from the Google, means open source only. No need to pay any amount or like that. First, just general introduction about this ATAPC tool. What is ATAPC tool? ATAPC tool is a powerful open source digital forensic tool used to investigate and analyze data from the digital devices. Is a most useful and important power open source digital forensic tool. Majorly purpose is applying, investigate and analyze the data from the digital devices like a pen drives or hard drives, whatever it. Directly we can't retrieve the data without helping this tool. So it is most useful in especially in the digital forensics. Designed to be user friendly and efficient, it provides investigators with an intuitive interface to examine hard drives, memory, and other storage media. It is very user friendly because it is not platform dependent, means any OS, any type of OS we can install here, and we can use this particular tool in any type of OS. Okay, and it provides investigators with an intuitive interface, very friendly way we can, and easy way also we can download it, and because everything is a open source. Examine on the hard drives, memory, any type of the device. For example, we used the device 2 years before. Now we are not using this one. Totally cracked devices or whatever it. In the on the device also we can apply these tools, and we can get the data from last 1 year, 1.5 year before that information also. That is a major advantage. Next point. Autopsy is widely used by law enforcement agencies, where we are using this one. Majorly law enforcement agencies, corporate investigators, and private digital forensic professionals to uncover evidence in case such as cybercrimes, data breaches, or legal disputes. Especially we can apply this tool in law enforcement agencies and corporate investigators also, and digital forensics labs professionals also they can use. Okay. In generally autopsy general meaning in medical terminology, we are calling that is a post-mortem. In medical terminology, what is use of post-mortem? To get it some evidences, because to prove the crime, how it has happened and what way it has happened, to get the exactly evidences purpose, we are using the post-mortem in the medical terminology. Same word meaning is autopsy, same in medical terminology, but in digital way, once we come into the picture, digital forensics, same method we are applying here to get it that evidence proof purpose, especially on the applying this autopsy on digital tools like drives or pen drives or hard disk or whatever it, any type of the storage media can apply that. That is a one advantage. Next point. It is a tool that assists in the investigation of what happened on a computer by analyzing data such as deleted file, web browsing history, and file access logs. With the help of this autopsy tool, we can find out the deleted files. If any file is deleted, we can find it. And web browsing history. If you apply this one in the with internet connection system, we can get it one. What type of the sites they used to see frequently from last 1 week or 10 days. Web browsing history also we can find out. And file access logs. So many logs of big file, any type of the file, accessing that logs means metadata or whatever it, we can get it that. Okay. Next, last point. Autopsy is a fast and efficient hard drive solution for investigating that is majorly used by the cyber security professionals. In common minds, they can't use this one because we have to get some idea what we are doing on that one, and what we have to get something knowledge on that tools also, how to use that one, how to build that one. So minimum graduates who knows that one, understand the general English, those persons they can understand, and they can, once they with the practice, they can apply this tool on anywhere, on any type of the device. That is a major advantage. Now practically one example I will show you that one. Okay, here this is my autopsy tool opening here. Already I installed in my laptop. So it is open source. Okay, once if you want to install in your systems, simply open that Google and Google and autopsy, simply type it autopsy download. Okay, directly this site will come, autopsy, www.autopsy.com. Okay, directly double click on this one. Okay, already downloaded, but one more time I am showing that one how to download. Okay, double click on this one. This site will open. Okay, here download 64-bit or related Windows operating system. Version is the 4.21.0 for Windows. If your system is a 32-bit, download 32-bit. If it is a 64-bit, maximum we are using 64 bits, then directly click on this download 64-bit. Okay, directly it is downloaded here. After downloading this one, just set up that files. Okay, set up that file directly. Yeah, is it clear? My voice? Any issues? Please tell, because it is not visible here, and with your doubt, with your question only, then I can change. Here it is downloading. Simply in the Google. Is in the Google. Thank you, sir. Ramdas.
Visible, sir. You can
Okay,
continue.
here it is downloading, but it will take some time. So here already I downloaded. So just only showing purpose I am saying here. Once it is downloaded, it is totally completed. Then set up that file. Okay, means simply double click on that one downloaded file. Normally click on the next option. Automatically it will be download. Okay. Now directly open that one tool here. Once open your tool, first screen shows like this. Okay, first attack. One dog symbol is there. Normally it will be visible in the Microsoft search option. Normally just dog searching like this. Same diagram, something little bit change only. They use this one here. This is the symbol of the autopsy. Searching something that it will indicate the searching something from in investigation. This is the first phase. Here I am going to applying on the one new case. If any case is already is there, simply use option open case. But if any case we use recently, last week or last month, simply use open recent case. But here nothing I did previously. So I'm using directly new case here. Okay. First download it one. After downloading this one, once click on the autopsy like this here already downloaded. After downloading, this symbol will come. Simply click on this one and first page opens like this. Now first new case, click on the new case because starting new case only here. Okay, here it is asking two steps. First one is the case information, second one is the optional information. First I'm going to give my case, what I am apply, which case I am applying this autopsy tool. That case information I am giving here. Okay, case name, my case name is like I am using the crime investigation. Any name you can give. This is not mandatory because we are applying, we are investigating on the specific case. So that is my case. My own identification purpose, I am giving my own name. So here crime investigation. This is my own name, just identification purpose. Okay, that is the particular identification base directory is like this. C user and Lenovo desktop here means here I am going to save this particular file. If you want to change this path, simply use the browse and change this path. Okay, that's crime investigation file path. Here case type is single user is there, multi-user is there. Multi-user means if number of persons working on that case, one major crime is happened, 5 to 6 investigation officers are working on that one. They want to generate their own reports. In that situations, multi-users they can use. But here, I am investigation on my own case. I am the only one person. So Here I am applying only single user is enough. Okay, I am selecting single user. More than one member is working on this one, simply select multi-user. This is the path where I am going to save my crime investigation file. Next, click on the next button. Simply observe. Any issues, please ping me, madam. Sir, whatever, whoever the person, any issues or doubts, ping me. Okay, right. Next, optional information. Here, this is optional, but we should give this optional information also, because once we open that file, clearly we can identify on what case we are applying. So I am giving the optional information also. I am giving, this is my first case. So I am applying that number 001, like first case. Any number you can give, 3 digits, 4 digits, or 1 digit also, whatever it. Okay, and name. Here, my name I am giving here. Like any name you can give here. Phone number. This is not mandatory, but your wish. Nothing will happen. Open source, no problem. If you are connected with any internet also, no problem. That's your wish. We can give our number or no need. That's your wish. But I am giving my number here. Okay. Right. Gmail ID also. Our own mail ID or any dumb email ID, whatever it. That's your wish. Nothing will happen. But first trial on that one, any real mail ID, anything. If net connection is there, then you will get some message also from ATAP's website only. Nothing will happen. Here some dummy mail ID I gave here. No problem. My mail ID also here I will give. Because I practiced on the different mail IDs and different phone numbers before that one. So same thing here, it is a visualizing. Okay. Here my mail ID, here I am giving here. Note, some my own notes. I am doing investigation. My own notes, I am notes in the sense, it did in that one. What we did, we have in that file. Simply. No need to give, but here, everything here, if you give the clear details for each and every option, we can get the clear information also here. So that is a major advantage. After reporting the total file, we can get the clear information. That is the only one advantage. Here notes also I am doing investigation. Right. Now total information is clearly given by me, and optional information also completed, and case information also I gave. Okay. If we are working behalf of the organization, then we can apply these organization details also, manage organization. Organizations are used to provide the additional contact information. If you are working, that case is applicable on the particular organization, whatever it, that is educational or any particular other MNC company, whatever it, we can give those details also here. But here no need to give, applying our own case now. So individually I am doing this. So here no need to specify, not specified. If you want to specify, then click on this one and apply this all information. Right. Now total information completed. Okay. And total fields are entered. Now click on the finish. Here creating one database. One database is creating here. Okay. Big database in the sense on what we are getting that file now, that file total database creating. Okay. Applying on one case now, total case database is here we are getting. Okay, one database created. It is running. Just wait 5 minutes. It is taking some time. Once it's completed, yes. Once it is completed,
Sir, can it be installed on Android systems too?
mobile application is different, sir. Here I am showing that total desktop application only. Mobile application, it is applicable in the any apps also, Play Stores, Android systems, Play Stores, it is available. Open source in that only. But procedure
Sir,
is
is that
something
available?
different. What,
Sir,
sir?
is that available on Google Play Store?
Because desktop application, once we understand clearly, then mobile application is different because that memory storage specifications are different. So once we
sir.
understand clearly is the desktop, then it is
Sure, sir,
easily
sure.
applicable in the mobile also. Mobile flexible, sir. Everything is given. Not this much and information is also no need to give specifically in the mobiles.
Okay, sir.
Especially here first understand the desktop application with through officially what we are doing in that one.
Okay, sir. Correct. Sir.
Here once is the database is totally completed, created one database storage area. What we are searching that information and gathering information, total information is stored in what I created my database. This is the first step here. In these steps are there. What are the steps to creating the total evidences proofs? For this purpose, these are the steps. First one is the select host. Host in the sense who is developing this database, who is the person, means like investigators or whatever it is, a members or major who. Here I am the new person. Generate options is there. Select once you select host. These options is coming. What are the options? Host are used the organized data source and other data. These are the major present host job role here. What they are doing used to organizing the data. Three options are there. Generate new host name based on the data source name. Here I want to create my own host because previously I didn't work anyway, any task or any crime activity, whatever in that one, I don't have any database. So newly I am here hosting the data. So select in the first option only. If you go to the select one, specify new host name. Here already we don't have that any data. So host name is not there. Here we are going to the my own new host name. So compulsory should select the first option only. Already if data is there, in database is there, simply specify the host name here. But here I don't, previously I don't have any host data, database, nothing. So simply creating first option only. Okay. These two options no need to select because if database is already created, then use these two options. Information we don't have now. So generating new host name, selecting first option and clicking on the next. Yeah. Here, one interesting thing is there. Here, next one is select data source type. Right. Now, are we applying what type of the data source? Is it the disk image? Is it the local disk? Or is it the logical files? Or is it the unallocated space image files? So many options. Is it the autopsy logical image results and XRY test exploit? What is this disk image and VM file? We got some data in the form of the image files or virtual machine file system or any particular ISO images files. We are getting some operating system, all are in ISO images. We can't read the data. Directly we can install that OS only. Some such type of example games also. ISO images totally. To apply this autopsy tool on such type of the images files, then select this first option, disk image or VM file. Okay, if you have that any particular image file, if I want to apply the autopsy tool on the specific image file, that file is if available in your system, then only select this one. Otherwise, I want to apply the particular autopsy tool on pen drive, my own pen drive, then select this local disk. Okay, second option. Okay. And logical files, any drive files or any logical file data is there, then we can apply this on this logical file autopsy tool. If you want to apply the logical files, use this logical files, select that logical file option. Next, unallocated space image file. Just example is while installing that operating system, the such space is not allocated. Not some MBs or sometimes GB. Mostly it's not happen. But if any unallocated space image is there, that space is unallocated officially, we can apply on that file such type of files also. In that situation, select this one. Okay. These tools are not applicable because these tools are not maximum. We are not using this one. So here, first, here I am going to apply on this tool now. With the help of this autopsy, I am going to apply on these two tools. First, I am applying this disk image file and next local disk. Disk image file means any image file is there, then use it. Next, local disk means my pen drive. First, apply pen drive. Select on that one. Already plugged my pen drive here. Pen drive is there too with my laptop. So selecting. If you have a pen drive, then only select this one. Okay. Otherwise, it won't accept that one. Local disk pen drive selected option. Next, I will give the some topics on this disk image also. Second one. First, applying the pen drive. Next, click on the next button. Now, here, third option is showing. What is this? Select data source. Okay. Collect the data source on what storage area you are applying. First, local disk. What is my local? Select my pen drive here. It is showing my pen drive, Gnaneshwar SNIST. This is my pen drive name. Total size is 28.7 GB. Okay. This is, I'm selecting my pen drive. If pen drive is attached, then only it will be visible. Otherwise, we can't visit this one. It's not visible. So select this one and press on the OK. Here my pen drive is selected. Okay. It is showing that one here. Time zone also. Time zone is already set by default. SA Kolkata time, GMT 5:30. So time is correct. If your location is saying that one showing any other country's location, simply change here like this. Here times also visibility is a GMT. So we can change like this here. Next. Here showing one option, ignore orphan files in FAT file systems. No need to select this one. We are applying on any type of the file now. So no need to ignore any type of the file. We can select and we can apply it one. Okay. Here no need to select any options because do perfect result purpose. No need to select specific options. Total data we want to recover. So here no need to select. Simply auto detect option is already selected. It will detect. No need to specify any particular mention. And select only pen drive. And next click on the next button. Right. Here it is showing some features. Configured ingest. Some features. Each and every feature is collecting one type of the data. One is, for example, recent activity is there. Any particular data is I deleted and recently or I copied from other source, that will show here. Okay. And hash lookup data and file type identification and extensional mismatches detector. Select all features because if you deleted, if you not selected, deselect any feature, we lost the data. So nothing will happen. Simply memory only, something is the will get some extra memory, but total data we can get with these features. So already all selected. So if any particular want, if you have clear idea on what type of data getting any particular features, if the particular data is no need for you, simply deselect the particular option. But here I want to get the total data, any type of data, what type of data ADAPS is collecting, total data I want to collect. So I'm selecting all these options. Nothing will be deselected. And completing the selection option, simply select next button. Yes. Now add data sources. What I created my database previously to the database, data source is adding. Here it is showing data source has been added to the local database. File are being analyzed. Already I created one database now. Within the database, my total pen drive data is added. Now we should analyze on the database. Okay, already created database and we have to analyze in this one. My database data collection part is completed. Recovering the data part is completed from my pen drive. Only think it one this. I don't know that one. What happened? What is their information in my pen drive? And moreover, that one password is also there pen drives. Then how to collect the data with this ATAL tool without using this, without seeing this internally what we have the data within the pen drive. Total data we can collect and copying the total data into my database what I created. Okay, that is possible. Here database is already created. Now I'm going to analyzing the data. Purpose, click on the finish. Database created and total data is categorizing like this. Okay, this is the total data source. Okay, this is my host. I am the host here. Okay, here and file views. What are the files are there in my pen drives? File types by extension files. Once click on this, here it will be shows here. Total how many images are there in my system? My pen drive 169 images is the total gathering information here. See and analyzing that one here, gathering information. Once it's totally completed, total clear data will be visible here. Okay, and videos, no videos, and audios. So total data, extensions, image, JPG, JPEG, this file extensions. Clear divisions are there in my pen drive. What are the data is there, and my data is not available. This type of data is not available here. And any deleted files is there. Previously I deleted some files in my system. Totally from my pen drive, total 3279 data total deleted. Either photos or documentation data, word format or whatever it. Okay, once you select this one, what type of the data we deleted, here it will be visible. And we can recover the data also. Okay. Yes, please wait. Here it's showing. Yes. These are the total data here. I deleted total data. This one. In bottom, it is showing what is the data. Once you click on this particular option, in bottom page, it will show in that one. This is SBI card statement is there actually. I deleted. Slowly it's working. Okay, all these are the digital data. Large amount of data. So total data is a covered here. This data is not available in my drive. Okay, we can see that one also. The loading as from file. In this place, we can see the data, either images also. if you lost any photos in your pen drive, we can recover that image also. Okay, from extracting file options is there. For example, I lost this data. Simply right click on this one. It's a rounding, is a searching that one. So it will open. Once it open, then we can get that next option. Please wait. Large data is there, it will take some time. If you apply that one 8 GB or less data, then easily and fastly we can get that recovering the data. Depends on the memory this tool will be work. This total data loss here from last so many days. Any photos or screenshots, what any data if you lost, then we can recover that one. Here it is showing some data what I get in that one in hexadecimal format. Sometimes we can't see here that exact data because any confidential data is any unformatted data we can't see. Images we can see here. Some documented data we can see here, but sometimes it will show in hexadecimal format here. For example, DLL file is there. We can't read this one. Once you select, it is also showing in hexadecimal format. So we can't read this type of the files here. Once extracting the file, then we can open in our system with that file formats. So much data is there. I'm searching for some images. Yeah, one logo is a documented logo here. It is a showing that one, some data. Some HTML file type data. Here actually I want to see so that one image, actual image not there. But for example, already attached my pen drive. Simply showing that one. I am deleting my one data from my pen drive. This is my pen drive. Here one screenshot is there, ping file. This screenshot, I am going to delete this one. This is a screenshot. Simply typing the shift to delete, permanently deleting. You want to permanently delete this file? Yes. Now screenshot one deleted. and now open the autopsy tool. One more time, click on that one, deleted all files. This deleted file option in this all files. Now search it here, screenshot. It will be visible and I can recover this data also. Here it will be visible actually, lengthy data is there. Any short data in less pen drive, then directly here we can visible. For example, this file is there, text file is there, key text file. Just assume that one, this one is the my physical image data. If I want to recover this one, simply right click on this one data, right click here. It is slowly it is working. Right click this. And here extract file one option is there. Either image or data or whatever it. Same procedure. Extract file. My data is a key.txt text file. I want to recover this key.txt. Simply right click on this one and select extract file. It is asking where you want to save. That means export. Where you want to export this one. Means I want to export this file in my system. So click on the this PC and in any drive I want to store this one. Simply assume that one, this one is the, I want to store in F drive. In F drive. And same name, key.txt name only I want to save. Save it. File extracted option is there. Click on OK. And open your F drive. This PC. And F drive. Now check it key. This is text document. I record my data. This is my key. It's open notepad data because text document now. Like this. If I lost any type of the data, either Word document or Excel sheet or any type images also, if you lost from your pen drive, okay, you can use autopsy tool and apply that autopsy tool on that pen drive and recover any type of the data. No need to ask to any other person. This is open source tool. Not only in the pen drive, in any storage area we can recover. But maximum we are using that one pen drives only. So unfortunately we are going to lose some data also. Use this adapts to your system simple way. Directly open that one in Google only and apply this one. One of the example. Okay, autopsy how to apply any images or data, whatever it, with the help of the pen drives. Now what about any image file? Okay, any image file is there, then how to apply this autopsy tool? Image file in the sense is not readable file. For example, just now I said that bootable CDs are there, like operating systems storage, DVD CDs. We can't open this. So simply we can run on this one, and some such type of the games also. Internally, what is there in that one ISO image files? We can apply this autopsy tool on this image files also. This one is completed. My pen drive database creation is completed. Okay. Where I saved that one pen drive data here, database on my desktop, crime investigation. If you want to check that one information clearly, documentation clearly, then open this one. My data is saved in this one, crime investigation folder. Total data is saved here. Catch, config, export, what we exported this one, and everything data is analysis data only. It's open. Okay, this is the database only creation only, but everything we can recover from the ATAPC tool only. Right here, apply on image file now. Now I want to create one new case. Now next, it's a completed. Okay, I want to apply one more new case. He's asking ingesting is running. Are you sure want to close the case? Yes, it's a totally 1 second here. This total all information will shows that one. What we lost, what we have in my window, total information, clear information is also there. Okay, for example, these are deleted files applied and file types applied. Remaining all folders, what we have in my particular pen drive or host data, total data is visible, and some EXIF metadata also we can see here. Metadata also in this, some image file is also there in metadata. Analysis result, this shows that one. And next, and reports also it will see, and any harms are there, it will shows in the red mark also. Any harm files, bad items or suspicious items also we can see here, but here nothing is there. Scanned pen drive. So any particular harmful viruses or suspicious items, it will, we can see here with this ATAPC tool. Total information here categorized. Now next I want to apply in one more case. I want to delete the previous case. Yes. Now new case. Here I am applying the one image file. Now applied pen drive. So image file, and before applying image file, you have one particular image file. How to create image file? Disk image files like a bootable. We can create bootable voice now like this. What is the importance of that image files? No one can read, no one can understand. Easily we can use. Maximum softwares, OS related softwares or compiler related software, whatever it we are getting with the image files only. So we are going to apply ATAPC tool on that one image files also. Now same process, first to open the ATAPC tool, and starting onwards, case name is the some crime 2, any name, any number, crime 2, and storing the my desktop only. Here if you change the browse, if you change the drive, then use the browse option. Okay, single user, always you apply single user. If commonly somebody is working that one, multi-user. Organization is only using multi-user, but maximum we are applying the single user only for easily understanding purpose. Click on the next, and number, random numbers I am giving 002 and 92. Any number you can give that one, and something number I am changing here 599 456 and something mail ID I don't want to change. Notes are no need to give notes because it's not mandatory, but clear information purpose we should give. Click on the next, finish. This is previous one, automatically it will be closed. Now creating one database. First creating database and storing what recovering data is into the database. That is a procedure. Okay, we are giving names and details for the database. In the database present, note that data is not there. After analyzing, after creating the reports, everything, then data is creating, is copying in that one database. Now this one is also new host only, and next selecting that one next option, Now image file, select image file. Already applied on this pen drive, local disk. Now image file. Click on the next. Now search it. Where is my image? One game image is there. Simply like one simple way purpose. I copied one game image file. I'm applying on that image file only. This ATAL tool. Now I'm browsing that game image file, like a Hulk type of the game. Just understanding purpose only this one. Okay. And that is located in the G drive. This one. Select here all files. Yeah, now see it. If image file is there, then only these files will be visible. Normal our documentation DOC file and any other files, we can't see that one. Image in the sense not our pictures, ISO image files. Okay, here I am going to select one in this one image file. That is first one. This is one game downloaded. In this one image, with the image file only I downloaded this one. So easily understanding purpose I am taking this one. We can apply on any OS file or whatever it, any image file. Simply click on the first image file and click on the open. Okay. Here no need to select remaining all these. Here any hash values are optional. If you want to apply any hash algorithms or whatever it, then we can apply. If it is a need, then only. Otherwise, no need. Analyzing will complete with the ATAL tool only. Okay. Simply select that one image file and simply click on next. Check it this time and auto detect. If it is auto detect, automatically it will collect. Otherwise, select one specific algorithms. Now click on that one. Next. Now don't change anything here. If you want to change that, our wish is not mandatory. Select all, but clear information, total information we can capture purpose. We can select all these features. So many are there features. Every feature will get the some clear information only. Not needful all this one, but first to recover the data. That is important. Click on the next. Now processing data source and adding the data details here. Yes, now see it. Data source has been added to the local database. Files are being analyzed. It's a completed task. Autopsy task is completed. Now we have to analyze what data we covered. This is my disk image host. And here all data. What are the file views are there? This one. File types. Any image files, file extensions. Image files. How many image files? One. And still it is pending. Only 14% is completed. Up to complete the total task, then we can get total images, how many are there in this file, and total videos, how many are there in this file, and any MIME type extensions. This is not available. Any deleted files in this one, it will shows the data artifacts. This means here uh, any particular history of the Google information. Normally we are applying this particular games or whatever it from the within the internet only. So what type of the options, searching options we use this one. So such type of information we can get this data artifacts. Okay, metadata it's showing here. Already it's not connected with the net, so directly downloaded na, so nothing will happen. No data, metadata only displaying. The data is, we can see this text data and manual PDF. We are downloading from the net now, so related the data we can see here. It is showing images. Total data is capturing here. This Left side part, data source host parts indicating total type of the data. If I want to recover any type of the data, we have to select in this one. Data is also there. What is the data? Or movie sounds, and this one. Current folder, parent folder becomes games related folders. This one total, because I'm applying on that one ISO image on of the one game. These are the total delete in this article of data. One mail ID is also we can display sometimes, because this particular game is up down. While downloading the game, we are giving some mail IDs also. So here we can get sometimes the mail IDs with downloading in the while connecting with the network, then only. So this is the information regarding on particular Hulk game. Like humans not readable. Such files we can implement in this autopsy tool. We can dump in this autopsy tool, and we can recover the data, deleted files also. Maximum we are applying on the pen drives and hard drives only, because crimes will happen. For example, one crime is happened, the crime related data is we have in the pen drive. So the pen drive is intentionally they deleted the data. Some criminals who is doing that one crime, they deleted the data, and they are giving that pen drive to the investigators. So simply they are thinking, criminals thinking data is totally lost, we safe. But these type of the adaptive tools, one of the example, the best example also, we can recover the data. Okay, one of the best example in the crime investigation. This is totally open source and simple way I told it. Education point of view, research point of view, or basics point of view, computer forensics starting basic point of view, any person they can understand this one, they can start work on this adaptive tool also. Okay, so many are there in this one, so many features, so many are there, much data is there, much we have to practice, but simple example how it will be implement and how it will be used, that I showed here. So many are, for example, I want to generate report on this one. I want to generate one report. For this, one option is there. Generate report means what I get the total record data. That data on that data I want to generate one report. Click on the generate report, and what type of data I want to report. Is it HTML report or Excel report or files text? Any type of data. We can select any type of data here. Here I am going to select HTML because easily understanding purpose, and hypertext markup language means one like a web page. It will shows in a web page. So easily understand and effectively it will be visible, good visible. So here I am selecting the HTML data report. So header and top of that report and bottom of that report, what I want to write. In header I am writing starting page. Anything you can write. That's your own interest. It's not mandatory. Our understanding purpose. Starting page and footer is the bottom page. Okay, and simply click on the next. Yeah, here it is a report generated. This applying a report on this one ISO image Hulk 01.ISO, and already I checked, so no need to check all. Simply click on the next. Yeah, all results. I'm going to get all results. It will open, but taking some time. We can see this one in our data also. Crime 2. That crime 2 is saved in that one desktop. So one desktop. My data is the crime 2. And in these reports here.
Sir, I'm not able to see the screen.
One minute, sir. Now is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here I am opening reported data. That is already I saved in my desktop. So this PC desktop crime 2 in this reports. In this report, some reported data is there. Generated some report on my ISO image. That data here. Yeah, the data is totally reported. Yeah, this data. Starting page, what I given that name on the top of the page. An adaptive forensic report. Case name is crime 2. Myself, I gave this name. Case number is 002. And number of data sources 1 because single user. And this is examiner, my name only. So clear information, image information, time where I selected this data from where, and on path of that where I saved this one ASO image from the G drive only. I collected this information from my laptop only. So software information also here it is showing adaptive version, analyzer model, total clear information report here. And left side encryption suspected, any suspected data is there, then it will shows keywords, major keywords. These are the mail IDs, mail addresses we are getting here. Means linked with this particular ISO image, what are the mail IDs are they connected with while downloading, what are the mail IDs connected with ISO image. Everything it will be visible. This is the last page, this is the bottom page is I given this bottom page myself only. So metadata, here we can see metadata, means data about the data, related data totally. And target file, these files are not there. This is a clear report. One small file, now, I applied ISO image, the one small image, this one. If it is a large image, like a OS or whatever it, we can give the clear details. If it is a not readable, some supported softwares we required to open that file. For example, some such type of the files is a DD files, and we like metadata files, some real non-humans, not English, means not readable files, because those language not in English, like a binary data, whatever it. So with some supported softwares, we can read. But the point is with ATAPC tool, we can recover any type of the data even though if they lost the data, that is document data or image data, whatever it, first recovering it and analyzing it, what type of data is that one, and to open the data, if it is a possible with our software, then we can open. Otherwise, using some such type of other supported softwares, then we can run and we can use, we can read the data. That is the important of that at FC, right? Okay, next, FTK imager is also there. So just within 5 to 10 minutes, I will finish this one. So it is also one thing interested. The FTK measure. All the same process, FTK means forensic toolkit. That is also open source only. We can download from that any website, like Google search. Directly type it one FTK image and it will shows that one website and we can use. There are some points are there. What are the benefits of the ATAPC and some key features of the ATAPC. User friendly interface, this one, and file system with analysis. Easily you can understand. I will share this one also to you. Normally I collected this one from the net only. So general information, this one, what I discussed, this all things, keyword searching and active graph analysis, timeline analysis, these options are available in this ATAPC tool. All this data recovery and module systems, report generations, everything is available in the ATAPC. Next tool is FTK Imager. FTK means Forensic Toolkit Imager. What is the use this one? It is a lightweight and free digital forensic tool developed by Access Data, one company that is developing this one FTK tool Imager. It is primarily used for creating forensic images of digital storage device and previewing the data without altering the original content. For example, I got one pen drive in the particular crime situation or hard disk or whatever it. I want to create one duplicate for that one, for that data. So what is the use of this one? Once particular storage media, if for that media we are creating one duplicate, no one will touch that one. Even though we lost that one original data also. Even though we give that original data to other persons, this duplicate data with that copy with our side and no one will enter and no one will manipulate that one. If for example I got I created one duplicate data with the help of the FTK and once we created, no manipulations is there. Even in original pen drive or original data, if we lost the data, that data is available in our manipulating data. Without manipulation data means duplicate data. Okay, that is a major important. Means any evidence strong proof purpose, we are using this FTK tool. ATAPC tool recovering the data, but FTK tool just simply saying that one, creating one duplicate images. Once we create some duplicate image for the original storage area like a hard disk or whatever it, anyone no one manipulate the data. Change the data is not possible and adding the data is also not possible. As it is, what we get originally in that crime situation, further storage, we are creating duplicate simply. Okay, no comparison of ATAPC and FTK. ATAPC is totally recovering the data, what we are getting the proof on that one. But FTK is creating duplicate the data, what we are getting the proof. Further proof, creating duplicate. Right.
resume అనలేదే.
Hello, madam. Any doubt? Okay. Here, just showing that one in FTK Imager. It is also open source. Simply open that one. Already it's installed. Same method we are applying in to download the FTK Imager also. Simply open that one Google. But here we have to give some information need. Come open that Google. And here type it one FTK image, download. FTK imager download. Simple procedure here. Not Google Meet. FTK imager.
There already downloaded one in your system means you can proceed, sir.
Madam, just only you understand. Okay, madam, that's simply here. Simply Google search and apply into one. Already I downloaded. So application is there. simply double click on this one. Open source, that is the reason I want to show you. So right now downloaded, click on the yes. It is opening. Yeah, this is the front view, first page of that FTK Imager tool. Now I want to create one duplicate of the data. For that purpose, create one, select file option, and one option is there, create disk image. One total disk I want to create. So select on this create disk image and applying on the physical drive. Physical drive in the sense auxiliary softwares like storage, pen drive, hard drive, whatever it, everything is comes under. So select on the physical drive only and select next. And here I want to create my pen drive's duplicate. So simply selecting my pen drive. This is my last option is my pen drive. USB ScanDisk 3.32 GB one USB drives. Select this one. Above one is the hard disk. This is the SSD RAM, and second one is the my hard disk. Third one is the my pen drive. Selecting my pen drive and click on the finish and adding my pen drive data here. Selecting pen drive and adding that my what is selected that pen drive, attached pen drive, adding. Click on add, and raw data I am creating here because no one readable. If anyone readable is there, then they can change. So simply the raw DD data format and click on the next. And it is a optional information, but I want to give information also. Case number and evidence number 1, 2, 3. Any number we can give. Randomly I am giving. Description is the one duplicate purpose. Otherwise replica. Use the replica. That meaning is duplication only. So examiner, my name is I am giving. Okay. And notes no need to write. That's your wish. Click on the next. And destination folder where I want to store this one. Simply browse it, and I want to store this one, this PC, and here D drive because space is available compulsory because 32 GB pen drive is there myself. So that much place we need. So for that purpose D drive is free. So I'm selecting D drive because D drive is a free. Select D drive and click on the OK. Okay, name. I want to give that name. Do replicas. Replication. Any name you can give. That's our wish. And after giving that name, simply click on the finish. Now start. It's a progressing. It will take some time, nearly 10 to 15 minutes. After completing the total data, then one duplicate image, created duplicate image will be displayed. Okay, that is the major use of this FTK. Okay, these are the major tools, open source tools. Like this, so many tools are there, but easily we can understand, and what is doing exactly in the cyber forensics, we can understand that one. In what way we can approach that tools also. First, applying practice on these tools, then we can understand any type of the tools, any advanced tools also. But maximum investigation, even nowadays also, any type, first basically applying these tools only. In any investigation area, first applying the ATAPs and FTK, then only going to the further. If we are not getting the clear information with these tools, then only going to the further. In my knowledge, I am saying. First, if we practice on these two tools, then directly we can get clear information. Once it's a progress completed, then we can get the data in D drive. Check the data here. It's not completed, but we can see that folder. D drive. Replication. One data. Actually, previously I worked on this one and I created one duplicate data, that is raw data. Means before starting this session, that data is, I will show that data actually, raw data. This one, acquisition. This one. Here, created by the access data FTK imager and case information. Previously, I used to details this one. I gave the details this one only because what I created now it will take some time. So it will take nearly 15 minutes time. So I'm showing that one. Previously, what I created the data, clear information, text document only, but actual data is saved in total image files. Acquisition 2, acquisition 3, like this parts wise is divided. The total data is divided parts wise. All files are stored in this image files. This image file we can apply in Adaptive tool. Then we can get the data what we have in that image file. One check it, one see it one. We can open that one. Okay, some files are not readable. Some files, maximum image files, we can read. Okay, but here we can't open because image file our Windows OS doesn't understand that image file. Compulsory we need one either tool or any specific software. Okay. Okay, this one is a raw data is capturing the data, right? Yeah, safety imager and main purpose file recovery, memory dump, and drive mounting, user friendly interface. All this. A mounting option is also there. It will shows that one duplicate image of my pen drive. Simply select on that one mount option. That will take us some time. After creating this raw data, then we can apply this mounting option also. Means total pen drive as it is file as it is drive, we can the disk we can see in duplicate way with the same name in other way. So that is a mounting. Some advantages of the FTK imager: free of cost, is a portable and fast and efficient. And now, okay, after completing these tools and these tools, specifically focusing on these tools only. So major important, and some tools also there, and we don't have the time now. So these are the major tools. Once we understand these tools, once we started the practice, then easily we can recover any type of the data. Then we can go the further in advanced tools or whatever it. These tools are open source. No need to purchase anything. Simply need normal laptop requirement, hardware requirements, like normal 8, 4 GB RAM minimum need. That's we have the minimum in nowadays laptops, and 500 GB hard disk. Normal requirements only. Specifically, no need to copy or so download any softwares, and everything is available in the open source Google. So it's a better practice in especially computer forensics. These are the some advantages of the computer forensics. What is the major advantage with this forensics? These are the points only. Okay. Major advantage recovering the data efficiently tracks down cyber criminals from anywhere in the world. Helps to protect the organization's money and valuable time. Allows to extract, process, and interpret the factual evidence. So it proves the cyber criminal actions in the court. So many advantages. These are some advantages only. Like this, so many advantages with the cyber forensic tools. Okay, this is that. These are the major tools, madam. Okay, and open source. I think you understand better. Any doubts or anything, please ask me. I explained that one basics only, that basic tools and in easy way, and took that minimum examples and basic examples only.
Sir?
Sir, tell me, madam.
Can we access the data after duplicating the data? Without autopsy, can we access the data whatever we recover?
Directly we can't read because that is totally ISO image files are different formats, because we selected that one raw DD format. In that format, those all formats are not human readables.
Okay.
If you take that one FTK image, once starting step, we are creating one duplicate image. The data is creating in raw DD format only. First option. Remaining three options also not human readable. If you want to open the data, we need some other software or any tool also. Here I am creating the total image files. So those files reading purpose autopsy tool is required, because that option is available in autopsy tool, but that is not in English language, so we can't read.
Sir, what is the ISO extension? ISO full form?
That's exactly but there's one image file, I think integrated source output. I don't know exactly, but that image file only, that's totally like any type of the data is a dumped copy, like bootable we are calling normally. I will collect it one. Easily we can find out that in Google. So I didn't remember exactly that, but one image file, that's one. Hello. Any doubts, please?
Thank you, sir.
Any doubts or anything, ask me. I gave the basic details only. So please, anything, tell me that. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Participants, any doubts? If no doubts, then we can close the session. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ganesh, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Sandhya, madam.
For
Thank you
your
so much.
valuable and informative session on forensic tools, autopsy and FTK images. Because it is a live demo, so it helps for all the participants. And they can, I think everyone enriched with this your knowledge in this forensic tools. So it helps for their career and as well as in their teaching to the students. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Dear participants, please fill the feedback which is already posted in the chat box. And tomorrow's session at sharp 6 p.m. And tomorrow's sessions are session number 7. It is analysis and validation of forensics data. And one more is forensic standards in cybersecurity and digital forensics. So all are like the forensics tools, now it's completed. Next is how to, whatever the forensic data is collected with the help of this FTK and autopsy. So how it will be validated? What are the validation tools that will be covered in the session 7 and session 8? That is what are the standards in this cybersecurity and digital forensics. Okay, please join by sharp 6 p.m. Without any delay. Thank you, dear participants. Within 5 to 10 minutes.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Uh,
Ma'am, I'm expecting the PPTs for the last 2 days, but still I'm not having it.
already 2 sessions out of 4 sessions up to yesterday. 2 sessions today now during your now session I posted in WhatsApp group. Please check it out. Out of
Ma'am,
4
there
to
is, ma'am, I'm not joined for any WhatsApp group. There was no nothing like that.
okay. So once you give your number, you already registered ATAL FDP in your portal. You
Yes,
registered.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
I think your mail ID is wrong because all the mail IDs just we send the invitation link. It's okay. Now you give your phone number to Sudhakar Raju sir, co-coordinator. His number is available on the brochure. You please give your phone number to sir. Sir will add your number in the WhatsApp group. And once again, I'll share the 2 PPTs along with this current PPT.
Ma'am, may I give my number to this chatbot?
Okay, sure, you can give.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the participants who fill the feedback, you can please leave the session. Tomorrow sharp 6 p.m. you join. Thank you, sir. Gnaneshwar, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much, madam. Thank you. Shall I stop, madam?
Yes, you can stop.